Nigerian basketballer Abiodun Adegoke. Oh my people, if you see this guy, hey, when I first see the thing they do me like one giant. The guy na 7.9 feet tall. Hey, Chineke. And in Matana, you don't go viral everywhere. In fact, it just they cause different sensations, different feelings. You understand? Because the guy is too tall. In height alone, in fact, I don't even feel just describe him. When I see this guy, I don't even believe saying a Nigerian. Because for this country, I don't believe say we still get people like this. Now Buhari government they misbehave. I beg, you know too for people mouth, different people mouth because of in height. Some people they talk, some people they say, I say this one now juju, this one now this one. Different people they bring their different opinion. And this person where they talk about you know how they score for basketball. Some people they jump, some people go even fly, tear their knicker. This one no need. If you stand like this, if you just score, you know go even shift leg. So I bet for now we no know him. Join me, make we watch the video. 18 years old now, you just watch you. 18, 1-8. A shock na. Wahala for us, we no get height. All of us, no, we know ourselves. We. Wahala for us, we no get height. I just imagine if this man just stand in front of me, Charlie, I go just turn to ants. I go turn. Wait be my height. So I don't even know it. I no go tell you now. I too like I'm about waiting. So that I go they call me short woman. I know short to just they understand. Oh, but my people, when I watch this guy, in fact, see the height they fear me. I know just like as I dey see. Anyhow, shall they say anything we get disadvantage, get advantage? Because this guy now, I just show say the plenty girls don't turn him down based on your height. Me, even me myself, I not like tall. If you too tall, because not even try near me, because I go just turn you down. Yes, now imagine if they waka you don't they reach heaven. Me, I still there down there, you be my partner. No, I not even fit. I no fit. So I just should say they don't they turn them down based on the height, you understand? But the advantage of this thing now they say if they use and make money. So no despise anything where God give you. He get reason why God give you that thing. Very, very important. You understand? So now see, in as much as say with a joke, with a no, na serious thing. Anything where you get, no go start they look for because this one now, I just should say they don't bully him. Oh, even another person will go use for place where they go remove his leg, cut the leg, reduce am. When I don't say abroad, everything they possible now. But he stood by it, and that one ain't good. Now, person even ask me, say, Madam Aproko, as this guy tall like this, how you gondos go come be? Una see, I go just day my own, so they go they bring talk. Now, so start they think about the matter. But on a serious note, my people, how it go be? Because some people even they talk say, if you too fat, you go small. If you too slim, you go, you understand? So I just I beg. Now I tell the person say, Biko, no dirty my mind. Like you understand? You understand? I not talk anything. I just they give una based on what they tell me. Almost 18 years old, and you tall like this. My brother, you not tall. You are not tall. You are long. You are 7.9 long. This one no be this is abuse. Omo. No look for this kind of person in trouble. If you look for this man trouble, your own go finish. Your own go finish. You go just see. Now only one hand they go use press you down. You go demolish. No wonder. I don't ask my mama since say, how come when you born me, I don't get one long height like that? So it happen. Now today I see him. I don't get the answer where I don't define since. This guy don't use all the height material. Material where God supposed use out to my height. He finish am. No wonder I did like this. I see me now. But anyhow, I not fit kill myself. This life I can't kill myself. You understand? My brother, I wish you best of luck. Oh, it's good as you even know what you go use this your height to do. It's very, very important. But one small advice, make sure say you work on your stomach and your chest. You understand? You go do all right. One sexy bubble like that. You go see say girls go even start the rush. I don't say now people just they rush and because of the money. Some people they fear this kind of height, but it's all good, sha. I mean, my people, wait till you not think concerning this boy height. I know say it shock many of you now. So start to drop the comments there and make sure say you subscribe and share this video. If not, people not gonna know what till they happen for this house. Stay tuned for our next story. Guy wey come from abroad, my people, he land Nigeria not too long ago. As he just reach Nigeria like this now, so una know say normally if you reach one country like that and you get family member wey too dey go church, they go come dey invite you, they pressure you, you understand? Now so this guy land o, his sister come carry am go church. Ngwanu, they go. Now so the matter can't reach another level where break no even dey again, my people. First one where we hear say this guy, they don't tell her talk and sweet. In fact, they talk too sweet. Now so this guy just go carry a car, say they sow seed. After he sow that seed say he never even do. We be think say okay, the matter go end for them, my people. By the time we turn around 2 times, now so we can't hear say this guy don't go carry land, sow seed. Land oh, after car. Everybody come they get tension, heart attack. Say wait till they happen. We don't know say this guy. In fact, the next one where they come now for all of us to die. We will not wake up again. Now so these people they get family house normal level, and that family house according to matter wey reach me, they say this guy in question, I better put the picture, many they see what they talk about. As soon as they say and there, he get the largest share for the family house. They say now 80% of the share belong to her. Though the remaining 20% normal level now family members they support. So the house now, he carry this same house. This same house he carry and sow seed. Family house. My people, that one in fact he can't bust our head. We know it. Because when after he give the car and the land, everybody thinks that day and I bust up be that. Just for the father, and the father even there around when the mama don't die. The father even there around, he there alive. You won't do this kind of thing, at least you not go even take permission from your father. My people now so this guy go carry. In fact, the father, the heartbreak self, I don't sure say this man, now God, that man for don't get heart attack, die by now. So I don't bring him now, call on a screen for now, we no know him. Before I will continue, you understand? So join me, make we listen to the father.
My son, Sheldrak, when he came back from London, started worshiping with Christ Embassy Warri. I was so pleased that my son becomes a Christian. But sometimes, unknowingly to me, the car he was using, he gave it to the church. When I asked him, he said he sowed the seed with it. Later on, information reached me that even the house, the family house, we are living now with 4 tenants, my children, and a store, that he has given it as a seed to Christ Embassy. Running up to 1 month now, they have refused to release the hard documents presented by my son, Sheldrak. We have contacted our lawyer to intervene. Our son used his car to sow seed a year ago, and now use the family house to sow seed. The family is opposed to it. Like this, we see this opportunity to appeal to Pastor Chris Oyakilome to direct his warring senior pastor to release the house documents. We have also reported the matter to the police station.
Obara Jesus. I no come understand now. We not sure say na the same God we dey serve for this, like this world where we dey. Now, I be some people get another God where me I no know. This family house where they talk to na about, no be say they just one building like that where the family members dey stay. This same compound they get tenants, 4 tenants. Hey. So you carry family house sold to God. You carry the tenants join. You sold tenants too. You sold them to God. My brother, in fact, no be the one way they talk say some things are dangerous. This your seed is super dangerous. I don't even know where to even start from like this. Now everything una they give a seed. Everything. Because no, maybe me I know they read Bible the one they read am. E get part for Bible where they to say give to Caesar what is for Caesar and to God what is for God. So why you can't they carry? No, you don't understand. Okay, make we just say okay in kind of personal thing. You carry your fan. Now that one, nothing pay me like that one. You don't consider your papa. You don't consider your siblings. You don't consider the one where even they pay my body now. Even the church itself. Hey, for now we don't know the church where they talk about because I'm not saying I don't hear I'm there for the video. For now we no pay attention. I they talk about Christ Embassy. Yeah, almost for branch. I don't know who would be the head of this branch, but he need hear me. Even if because see now why una exist oh, pastors. The reason why you are there as pastors is to correct things that are not right. This seed thing, see, is wrong. It is wrong. Not be every seed as pastor, not be every seed you supposed even accept. You get some seed where you supposed question, say, wait, oh, you should say where you get this thing from, who get that? Like you know understand, you supposed question before you even accept, but no. Now some people, the only thing where they just give me, they just want to collect. No, you don't even want to know who he affect, who he not affect. You know, So now, as soon as day now, you not even care. Say, okay, oh, if we take this family house where these people want stay, you not even think, you not even say, wait, as you they give us this thing, you not get another house, you not even bother. You not even accept, I bless you, I bless you. Not be about the I bless you. Now the heart. Because this say no, you don't too much. Una don't overdo am. This one, no. Nothing when una want tell me. This one na overdo. In fact, you they leave people houseless. According to Ramo, the boy open mouth. Even they thought say any asha make her not just say na the boy because this thing another force they behind that because this guy no fit just come on his own like that and he open mouth even they talk say they give all these things away because they prepare for the kingdom of God. My brother, hey, Chineke me, omo, last I go leave church for now. I go soon leave church for now because it be like say no now when they do some kind of things where you go make person they feel like say it be sinner or you know they do some kind of things. No, now they imagine. No, listen now. This boy don't do this thing now, Abi. Okay. Now imagine person where did that church, when no even get where to sleep. After a year, because normally they go come give testimony, say you don't do this, you don't do that. Okay, now person where sit down for that congregation where no even get food. Una go come they put pressure for him mind. That one too go can't do anything just so that him too go so seed, so that they go announce his name. But sometimes if una dey do some things, why una no fit just like I know, hey, I dey laugh, I know they laugh. I dey laugh, but no, because my people, if una see lawyers, as I dey talk to una now, lawyers don't go this house, this family house where they talk to una about. They don't carry lawyer. This Omofo branch class embassy, they don't carry lawyers because they get the papers now. The boy give them house papers. Say, okay, I give it to you. Now they don't carry the papers with lawyers to prove that the house has been given to them. So now they don't go there, evacuate everybody. They say everybody come up for that house. Is it good? No, I dey ask you now. Is it good? You don't carry church for your head. Pastor see where even invite you go to church. Your sister where they attend the church since. How come your sister never go do this thing? See, I know they against giving you. If you won't give it good, but some givings you not supposed get sense as soon as they give. No. This one, he even in fact he passed my power. This one pass be careful. This giving, he pass be careful. So I beg oh, now why I come today? Now why I come today? If una no even they fear anything, make una fear God. If una know they fear, because now many people don't they speak on behalf of God, even waiting God no talk. If una know they fear anything, fear God. No leave these people on the street. And this house what they talk about, no be small house, now be in fact the name of the street for now to see say this person where they talk about no be any other person. The name of the street said now the papa name. So now go imagine the house. Imagine say the street belong to you, your house. No, not be small house. I beg for the sake of God, make una no leave that. Even if you no even look that boy, the old man, make una no do anyhow, no do anyhow. I beg, make una just respect una self because see now I beg I dey beg oh. So please now why I bring this matter because see if una never share any of my videos, una see this video, hey, make una start from this one because we need save this family. It's very very important. I don't know what they do to this boy. I don't know. I don't know matter where they even get before now. But matter reach me say they brainwash am. Say they tell am many things. Say this one, if you do this one, you go get this one. If you do this one, you dey save for the kingdom of God. My brother, save with wisdom. Prepare for the kingdom of God with wisdom. Because I don't even know whether to call this one jazz. I don't know whether to say they use something. I be they give us something chop. I not just don't understand. You understand? So please return the papers. That house paper. Una fit take car because that one na your own. Return that paper now. Why I bring this matter now? So please, sir. Daddy, Pastor Chris, Biko, you need to intervene in this matter. I don't know whether you there well. I don't know whether you know they are well, but I don't bring her now so that you go there away in case you know they are well. May they return those papers. Story along, I they beg. You understand? And from now, Biko, make una they weigh the seed. Weigh the seed. If na in personal house now, it good. This one a family house. I beg my people, make una help me share this video. It is very very important. Share this video because the right people need to hear me. And make sure say you comment anything where you guys to say. You understand? I want to know what you think concerning this matter because to me it don't pass. Be careful. You don't too much. Subscribe if you never subscribe. Click on that notification bell. If not, you know when they get hot gist like this. Trust me. Stay tuned for our next story.